Hi everyone, it's Fiona. I just plugged myself in. Hi, I've got my little box, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video. It's only little today. I'll just pop it down here and stamp it up. Stampin' Up scissors, like paper snips. Perfect for opening a Stampin' Up box. Here's another one. Ooh. I'm got a few things today. Lots of air. Oops, bumped something. Trying to do that without bumping my thing with the microphone on it. So I'll just get the air out of there. Lots of air. Ooh, look at that. One great big long bit of air. And we've got some Stitch with Whimsy dies. I really like the look of these. Just open them up. And these ones are, ta-da! There we go. Look at that. Bit of fun with those soon. So that embosses into the card. Can you see those? So this one doesn't actually cut the shapes out, it just embosses into it. So I'm looking forward to playing with those. What else have we got in the box? I got the Treasured Medallion stamp set with just a bundle with the Treasured Tags Pick-a-Punch, and I did that because I really wanted this punch. I've got another punch, this one. Just have it handy, that one. Lovely bundle. And I really like having the choice of the different, you've got 2 tags, but you've actually got 6 because you've got all 3 different sizes on each one. That's a really handy punch to have. There we go, there I am. Hi! You can use them as a mirror too to put your lipstick on or your makeup. So that one comes as a bundle. This one is the Geared Up Garage, and I'm going to use this for my next class on the 27th of March. This is not a bundle, you have to buy them separately, but nice choice. And it's got, I will open this, because in the die cut set, I don't have the picture on here, but it's in the catalogue. These ones have gears on it, look. I'm going to do something creative with the gears. Look at all. Woohoo, cogs. Lots and lots and lots. I might use some gilding with that too. That looks like fun. So that's that one. Geared Up Garage. And what else have we got in here? A thank you note, which we always get in the box, which is always good. And what else did I buy? The Dandy Laser Cut Paper. I decided to get some of that because I bought a lot of the Dandy set, but I bought it in bits and pieces because we got part of it for the on stage. Sorry about the noise. Do that quick. On stage last year. So I've just been buying the bits and bobs, and I forgot to buy this, but I really like it. Look at this. Just rest it on there. Pull them up. So these are already laser cut for you. Look at that. Ooh, more butterfly, not butterflies, dragonflies. Backings, and you've got bits on the side here. Put that one down. Oh, I do like these. Look at that. More dragonflies. They're all cut out, ready to go. Look at them. Oh, look at this round one. So you just pop them out like this and use them. and this one here, the sideways one, that actually matches the, now where have I put that? I got it with Celebration anyway, with the Hostess stamp set. So they've got a, I can't see it on my shelf, I'm looking, but I can't see it. They've actually got one that's sideways like this. That's cool. I like that. Let's see if we've got special paper to protect it. Look. So we'll put all that back in the box and find a home for it soon. There we go. So if you're after that, the number, there's the label for that one. Dandy laser cut paper. I'll have to get back into my stamping later. And while I've got you here, last night on my live, I finished making this card afterwards, and I have put a picture online, but it's always nice to see it. Hi Julie, thanks for joining me. It's nice to see that card finished. So I actually did like an inlaid, I cut the die cut out of both, and I've used the Whisper White. This is still Whisper White, but you could use the basic white is the new white. Just make sure when you're cutting you keep these pieces, that one, that one, that one, that one, the little one, because you need them to stick back in. And I actually stuck it on with using the multi-purpose liquid glue on the base card, so I just went inside where this is going to sit with the glue like this. So I had not too much, but enough to cover all these bits here. So then when I put the base on, I just then put the die cut piece into it and just pushed it down. It was so easy. So that is a really quick and easy card. And this one is out of the Forever Greenery set. This is part of the many messages that I used last night in my live. I just thought that made a really nice card. So there you go. That's it from me. Catch you later. Bye. Ciao.